I build a lovely kitchen for you to come and cook in.
If when the season ends, I can con my husband into going, I think he would love going to Palm Springs. You're in Palm Springs, right? Because John loves to golf. And there's no shortage of golf courses.
Wait. Let me show you something. Here is a golf course directly across the road where John can golf. And wait, Rach, here is our swimming pool where you and I can have Aperol spritzers while John golfs. So
sold. Okay, sold. And the kitchen we could cook in together.
Yeah, and we can watch episodes of Space Invaders, where I'm about to go back to Australia for a little while to shoot the 4th season. It's a home renovation, makeover, and decluttering show. At the moment, we've just shot the 3rd season. Here's some of the before and after shots. That's a before right there. That's an after.
Unbelievable.
It's the most popular show on Saturday nights in Australia at the moment, with my co-host Cherie Barber and Angie Kent, the renovator and construction person, Cherie, and the upcycler, hunter for treasures, Angie. It's a great show. We've shot 30 episodes. It's really exciting. But it's great to be back here. But
that is
you
huge.
I know. It's really great.